In this video, I'm going to build an app with you using AI. Listen guys, I'm doing this for you, otherwise it would probably be in my school community premium tier, but I decided to do this walkthrough for you guys, for everyone, so you see that I actually provide you with real value and not just some hype AI. So let's get straight into it. So let's ditch all of these lovable sites, all of this hype stuff, and let's move straight to Claude. If you don't know Claude, watch my previous videos. I have done a whole breakthrough on how to use Claude and other AI tools, so definitely watch that. And we're going to just start a new chat, of course. So okay, we're on the free plan. I have basically set up everything for you to understand me. Before we start, I'm going to use Visual Studio Code. So yeah, let's do a new folder. Let's name it, let's say, YouTube test walkthrough. And yeah, we have the folder. Let's now open Visual Studio Code. Let's full screen it. Let's do open folder. Now we're going to go to desktop, YouTube test walkthrough, and open. Boom. So we basically started our first project, and let's get back to Claude. So the simple prompt, how you should start, is simple. So you're gonna say, so we pasted this prompt, and matter of fact, I hope you realize this, we're on the free plan, okay? This is completely free. With Lovable, I have tried it. I have basically created two completely not working sites, only visuals, and I was out of credits. So let's see where we can get with the free version of Claude. All right, so step-by-step walkthrough. Step one is, of course, create the project structure. So in your YouTube testing walkthrough folder, create these files. Okay, no subfolders, just straight up files. So index.html. All right, so we're back in Visual Studio Code, and what we're going to do is we're going to add a page, and we're going to right click on it, and here should be rename. So I'm going to do the folder here. It's going to be again, and here we're going to add a new file, and we're going to name it exactly like this. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go here, do this, boom. And we can already see it is in the HTML format, which is exactly what this stands for. This dot and HTML is an address. So Visual Studio Code knows we're going to be writing in HTML. So let me do this for all of these files. Again, right click, new file, CSS, boom. This is going to be for the visuals. App.json is going to be, I believe, for the not mechanics, how do you say it, not animations, even for the functionality. And data.json is going to be for the data, I think, but this is not JSON, sorry, this is JavaScript. Made a mistake. This is JavaScript, and what you're gonna see now is JSON. So now we see here, you can see that this is HTML, this is JSON, CSS, and JavaScript. We have the default structure. So let's actually move to step two. Create the data field. So first, let's create the data.json with some sample analytics data. We can see here some JSON, super basic. We're going to just copy it and Control or Command V, place it right here. And what you need to do is, you see this white dot here, you need to press Command or Control S to save it. Let's move into step 3, create the HTML source. So this is the same stuff. You can see doc type, HTML, and everything. We're going to go to HTML. We're going to go here, paste it, Command S, save it, and yeah, we have it. By the way, this video is a start of a new course inside my school community, which is going to be how to code with AI. Yeah, I've already showed you the templates, automation, masterclass. Here you got my YouTube resources, the most valuable YouTube videos, opinion that you need to definitely watch, and an awesome community with right now 27 peoples. The entry is still for free, but once we hit 50 or 100 members, I'm gonna raise the price, so it's not free anymore. So definitely check the school community out. The link is in the description. So we have the HTML. Now we're gonna do the CSS, literally the same thing. Just copy CSS, Command V, Command S, boom. And for the next part, wait, this was CSS, right? Yeah. And for the next part, create the JavaScript logic. So again, just copy, go to JavaScript. This video is not supposed to be entertaining. You're supposed to actually learn, okay? So don't fall asleep in this video and pay attention. Step 6 is running your app. So open VS Code, navigate your YouTube test walkthrough folder, right click on index.html, select open with live server if you have the live server extension, or just double click the HTML file to open it in your browser. Command Shift X, okay, so I'm gonna do it. Command Shift X, open with live server right here. Okay, I just didn't see it probably, and boom. Okay, so now we have the very basic analytics app or website. Does this look good? No, this looks terrible. Okay, this looks terrible, but we see we have something, we have some page. So what I'm going to do is, all right, so what we can do is we can just take a screenshot of this, go to Vault, and say we've pasted this prompt, which is like if you're talking to a friend. Now Claude is actually improving everything. We're gonna see if it goes right on the first reprompt. Maybe we have to do this a couple of times. This is the price you pay if you want to do it on your own and not use these, in my opinion, stupid vibe code apps. All right, so you have probably saw this crazy glow up, I would say. Claude has this preview window like these apps, let's say Bolt or Lovable. So we can see some animations, pretty cool. YouTube analytics, channel overview. It looks pretty cool, guys. It looks pretty cool. Yeah, this looks awesome. Nothing works yet, only the animations, but professional YouTube analytics dashboard. So now that's what I'm talking about. Okay, so he took it really personally. This is kind of funny. Let's actually look at the code. Going to copy this. We're going to go here, Command A, delete everything, Command V, Command S, and again, open with this server. Boom, and we have literally, I'm not even joking, guys. Within 2 prompts, we have a better app than with Bolt, or with Lovable, or with Base 44, whatever you want to call it. We have a better visuals than with them. Like, there's no excuses that you can give me to not do this. It's free, it's easy, and you also learn a little bit of coding. I don't want to go too deep right now. We could literally ask Bolt, hey, what is HTML for? What is this? What is this for? Let's say, so what is HTML? Simple explanation. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's the foundation of every website you see on the internet. HTML, the structure, so like the backbone of the skeleton. CSS is the decoration, the paint, furniture styles, okay, and JavaScript, the functionality, lights, doors, plumbings, okay. HTML works. HTML uses tags to tell the browser what each piece of content is. Tags are wrapped in angles, brackets. Okay, boom. So here you have a, bro, this is crazy. Here you literally can learn what coders are learning for a few hours, okay? Because I myself have been going to school that teaches coding and all of that stuff. They don't use any AI. They're just completely left behind here in Europe. I don't know. I have most of my viewers from America, right? So maybe you have it different there. Maybe they already teach you something about AI. Here, zero, guys. Genuinely, I'm not even joking. Here it's just zero. With Claude, I literally have hours that I would have to sit in school with one simple question. Anyways, let's move on. All right, so now we have the website right now. We want the functionality and we want to add some new pages, right? So let's say, again, pasted the prompt. Now we're just going to wait and let's see what happens next. So professional YouTube analytics dashboard, interactive artifact. Let's see if this is again this is again the HTML, and this is just going to be the text. All right, so we have the login page ready. Literally within, again, 3 minutes probably. We have some welcome back, sign in to access your analytics dashboard, blah, blah, blah. You can fill out your email. Yeah, everything works. Remember me, sign in. We have some Google, hit GitHub, doesn't work. What would you do if you would want to connect it? Yeah, connect it through Google so it actually goes to Google login page. You just say it here, literally, nothing else. Just say it here. Literally connect the Google button to Google login so it works like in normal websites. Boom, just like that. Anyways, how it works, whatever. Perfect. I've added a stunning login page with these features. Yeah, okay, that's all good, but how does the code look like? Doc type HTML, okay. Open with live server, and let's see if we have another page. Awesome. So the whole website turned like the login page, which is kind of fucked up. But if we don't have an account, cannot sign up. Okay, there is a mistake, which is completely fine. Completely fine. How to tackle this? It has basically replaced the whole page with just a login page. The good part about Claude is you can literally surf through the files it has sent you and you can use them in real time. I have lost it right now. Explain HTML here. Okay, we have this, the dashboard, so I just click it, set copy, and I'm gonna do it here. And it's like a file, okay? So you replace the whole page with the login page. I need you to merge these two together, so when a user types any password, there's no way, guys, there's no way. Any password and email combination, it logs him into a host account and he can access the demo website that looks like this. Boom. Paste it and let's see what Claude does. All right, so the response was paused because Claude reached its maximum length for message, so you just hit continue and it continues coding. Super simple, nothing to worry about. All right, so I've merged both pages together. Now it works exactly as you requested. So if I do this, sign in, boom, we're in, bro. Genuinely, I think they improved Claude a lot, because when I first built the app for 3K, it wasn't as smooth as this. So yeah, I mean, what you have to do right now, you probably guessed it, just copy the code, you go here, Command S, right click, open with live server. Now let's say I do blah 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 blah. I set anything, so it should do even numbers, anything. Sign in, boom, we're in. If we log out, it already works. I'm telling you, we are literally creating a live app while we're just making some funny prompts. Loki, it's just funny prompts. It's nothing professional, nothing crazy. So it blows my mind just while I'm recording this, even though I already knew this. Listen, if I were to ask, so I just asked it a simple question. Can you report one of my videos? Absolutely, I can embed your video directly into the website. Just give me the YouTube link and I will add the video player section on your dashboard. Okay, bet? I mean, let's do it. All right, so I have the link. I'm gonna just paste it. Let's see what it does. All right, so it's making some edits. You can see here live. Boom, boom, boom. Let's actually try it. YouTube videos, featured video. All right, so doesn't show it right away. Now I don't know why this keeps popping up. All right, so the featured video is not showing. So simple debugging prompt. Just say what's happening and Claude will fix it. All right, so let's try it again. Still not popping up, but let's try it in here. Maybe it's going to be different. Maybe we're gonna see it. Guys, it wasn't even Claude's fault. It was just my fault. What's up, guys? Shafik here. In this video that I messed up. I mean, not messed up, but I didn't realize that it's not gonna show inside Claude preview tab. You gotta, of course, go to the website. But yeah, listen, what else do you want from me? Guys, what else do you want from me? This is literally free value that I teach you so you can make thousands of dollars, whatever you wanna call it. So I showed you how to embed videos. I showed you everything. Logins, logouts, every single thing. So I don't know what else do you want from me, guys, but leave it in the comments. I'm 100% open to doing anything for free here on YouTube. And if you want the premium versions, the templates, all my support 24/7, go inside my school community. You can literally join for free, or you can access the premium tier, get the full version and get me for full support, anything. And let's connect there, because I'm trying to build the best AI community that is there in the world. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're not looking like this guy at me right now, that I'm ending it. But if you want part 2, leave it in the comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.